Here we are in New Bedford Harbor for the second test of the RCI system. Before we get started, just to make sure all our equipment is working right, I've got a manual salt water tester to test how much salt is in the water. And it's lower than I would like. Regular salt water is 3.5%. That's the average. But we've had a lot of rain, and we're getting 2.8, 2.9 salinity in the water. Like I just said, I was hoping for 3.5, but we have a way to adjust that. I'm going to walk fast. See if we can follow me with this little camera to show what's happened since the last video. We have the same 40 horsepower marine diesel engine that we used in the last test, right in front of me. We have a heat exchanger right here. We go into what we're not going to be testing today is CO2, carbon dioxide. That's not part of the test today. All we're going to be testing for is nitrogen dioxide, NOx. And that's in these next two units. Induction chambers is the official word for them. And if we move the camera over here a little bit, if you look close at the last test, there was only one induction unit. We've changed now for obvious patent purposes. I can't show you the inside, what's going on inside. We've already filed the patent on April 27th, but we still can't show what's inside these units. And actually all three are different. Very, very different. This is our adjustment for the fact that we only have 2.9% salt, and we actually need 3.5%. And we've got a second NOx induction unit on this that we didn't have the last time, with a totally different inside design and arrangement. And then, so the exhaust comes out of the engine, travels through the system, and the big questions and issues that we have to be very, very careful about is back pressure. It's the worst thing you could ever say to an engine guy is back pressure. So we're going to start this engine up. I'm obviously not going to be able to talk once we start this engine, but once the engine starts, we'll follow through with this camera so you can see the gauges. We've got gauges all over the place to test for temperature, test for pressure, test for NOx reduction. This little guy right here tests for salinity. And that's this little short video. This is RCI 1.2.
went to 4-1 for instant. Now it's going back down. Oh, there it is. Good. There it is. There it is. Good. Good. That's good. That's good.
Don't move.
I won't move.